completed this task.
What is this?
Has no clue what she's doing at all.
You've already completed this.
What are you doing, bruh?
You've already completed this task. You've already completed this task.
Won't you play the game right so you don't keep doing the same stuff? Screw, let's go in here, guys. Whoa.
Where am I supposed to go? He said trees. Oh. You ain't coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where you going, bro? Do you even know where you going?
Me? No.
Her.
I do.
That's why you got a big head.
Yeah, alright. Your head is bigger than hers, though.
But her head is huge. It's taking up the whole camera right now.
Yeah,
Alright.
alright.
Y'all niggas didn't even press down yet. Like, where y'all trying to go?
Yeah, we really did press
No,
down.
you didn't.
Then why you think we in the elevator for?
Because the elevator just fucking opened. You just walked in it.
Yeah, alright.
Night.
Alright. What floor are we supposed to go to, Daniel?
I clicked all 3.
For why?
So that when we get to a floor, I can peek my head out for the trees.
Oh. No.
There's the trees.
Oh, that one's going down for now.
No, it's not.
This
Oh, no.
This
Hello.
Why they
Oh,
got
yeah. Tell me why this is his floor, too.
You gonna want to hit somebody? Point it toward here. Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, I just said. You going in? Ooh.
Hey, put his eyes back on real quick. Put his eyes back on. Oh.
What he said?
Y'all don't even know how to play the game. Y'all ain't even trying to play it right.
You have to read the book, Selena.
You read the book. You're going to play it. I don't understand. What's left? We're level 13. What are we doing?
Well, that book was at 13.
We got that bird down there. Go mess with that bird.
Where?
Down there.
This big one?
That's not a bird right there.
You can still point your wand at it.
Point my wand at what?
This thing right here.
It doesn't work.
Point the wand.
You have to hold it there.
Come on. Why is it moving like that?
You found 100 gold.
Whoa.
You have found 50 gold hidden in my...
You getting rich. Getting rich, son. All this money.
You have found 50 gold hidden in my...
Point it on her and hold it.
Look like Michael Jackson. Look at Michael Jackson.
May I help you on your journey, Magi?
Thanks, Michael.
Shut up.
Okay, you click something. With your wand.
Yeah, he's the wand.
She
nigga.
said.
Move.
That's dope.
Move.
See, you don't even...
Selena,
Move.
this is what you need. Courage for the wand.
Oh.
You're
Oops.
stupid.
You don't know what you're doing. Wake her back up.
That's a him. That's Michael.
May I help you on your journey,
a
Magi?
Move. I got this.
You gotta go like this.
Yeah, you got this.
No, you have to do
camera
that.
pointing all the way over.
All right, come on. clap.
You got courage.
Do your courage dance. Do the courage dance. Hey.
But it's just our balls in the back. What do you do? Give me that.
Point it at that. Point it right here.
Right here.
Sorry, Magi. You must be on a quest to use your magic here.
You just said sorry. For what? You can't do it.
Bruh.
Sorry, Magi. You must be on a quest to use your magic here.
I am on a quest.
I am on a quest.
I'll keep a light burning the whole winter long. The power of the freezing rune keeps my light strong. I'll flicker through blizzards. I'll shine through the snow. I'm 100 watts of pure
I am.
I am.
I don't think that there's nothing else.
This is funny as hell.
There's nothing else down this
Funny how you
hallway.
walk down this hallway too. We're supposed to be playing a game. Can someone read the instructions, please?
Man, I don't know how to play this freaking game.
Me neither.
This freaking Hogwarts game.
Hogwarts.
On freaking Wolfpack land. I'm waiting for Tyler the Creator to jump out. Freaking Wolfgang house. Freaking Illuminati pyramids. Illuminati pyramids is everywhere.
First of all, I don't
All
know where.
I've seen a bunch of pyramids all over the walls, bro.
Right there.
Illuminati. Look at all those pyramids right there. Illuminati.
Oh my
is
god,
here.
okay, look. Remember when we had that bomb
Why are
threat?
we walking down here?
Danielle, hold that.
Come on.
Danielle, remember when we had the bomb threat? Please tell me why AJ and all them was up there in the stands throwing at the Illuminati and the 666 on their eyes and
On their eyes.
like, you know the Goonies symbol?
Yeah.
It's 666 and they were putting it around their eye and everything and they was putting the triangle around their eyes.
Why?
And one of them came and put it on my back.
Why?
I don't know, they were idiots.
Niggas aren't cool.
I'm going to hell.
Who did
I
it?
pulled out my rosary.
Who did it?
AJ, Chris Williams, and all them.
Them niggas is going straight to
The
hell.
ones that wear them Tossa shirts, the TO triangle, SA type thing, or the TOS triangle, something like that.
There needs to be a bridge.
What they wear, that's the Big Sean
So you
shit.
have to walk all the way around.
Them niggas,
Already completed.
them niggas are lame as hell. They're not Illuminati, and they're not cool, nigga. If they ever did that shit to me, I'd lay them out, like, where they stand, nigga. I'd hit the niggas one time and fuck them up.
You know how to play this freaking game.
Ooh. Throw up Illuminati. I wish some niggas would do that shit around me. I'll smack them little niggas. You already did all that.
No, we didn't. This is what we're supposed to be doing. This is what Chris said we need to do.
Well, bro, I don't know what to tell you.
I think we broke the wand.
Yeah, I think you did too.
My God.
But that's the wolves.
Oh, great Merlin's monkeys! There are people here! Why, greetings, Magi in training.
What's happening?
And welcome to Magic Quest and Great Wolf Lodge.
Jesus, what's that?
Illuminati.
I will be your guide through this wondrous magical world. I am known as the Questmaster. Deep in the forest, Great Wolf Lodge, a magical portal is open. Enchanted creatures have entered the forest. Princesses, pixies,
Alright, this shit is
talking
whack, man.
trees, fire